Mr. Kasuri, if you have, you don't please stand here and look for the page. आप आराम से बैठिए. If the relevant page is, just tell us. Otherwise, we'll waste a lot of time just looking for what you want to read. आप आराम से बैठिए and let us know what page you want us to read.
I'll read the relevant portion, sir.
I don't want you to read the whole book. Just tell us what particular paragraph, page you want to read.
मैं वही बता रहा हूँ जी.
बताइए जी.
तो ये है अपना पेज 52 ऑफ माय पेपर बुक.
जी पढ़िए, कहाँ से पढ़ना चाह रहे हैं?
ये है 1 2 3 8th line from the bottom, 8th or 9th line.
पढ़िए.
I told Justice Raat Patel that finding Mr. Bhutto not guilty was not consistent with the thinking of the four Punjab judges, since all of them had come to the conclusion that the evidence in the High Court of the officials of the Federal Security Force who had participated in the killing proved their guilt, and these officials had no motive of their own against Ahmad Raza Kasuri. Undoubtedly, it was only the wish of Bhutto which they had carried out.
What do you want to show from this? How does this language come undoubtedly? It could be the wish of 101 other persons also. So what do you want to show us from it?
I'm coming, sir. Gradually see. That's
खुद ज़ुबानी बता दें क्या कहना क्या चाहते हैं. तो मकसद
ये है जी अपने पेज 53. Page 53. Last from the bottom 9th line. While the majority judgment was written in the name of name of Inal Haq CJ, in fact it was collective effort of all the four judges who had found Mr. Bhutto to be guilty. Chief Justice had assigned various issues in the case for being dealt with by his colleagues, and we had written our portions of the judgment and delivered it to the Chief Justice. The majority judges was therefore a collective effort wherein Chief Justice had merged all the portions into one consistent whole after appropriate vetting. अब उन्होंने कहा कि चीफ जस्टिस ने
We know English language, you don't have to translate it.
हमें बांट दिया, हमने
We understand the English.
Now the position is कि अगर इनको प्रेशर थे, he should have recused himself. He should have recused himself.
Don't give us that advice. That is irrelevant.
नहीं सिर्फ पोजीशन ये यहाँ ये है कि वो कह रहे हैं कि
this helps you or doesn't help you.
It's a very longest case. उन्होंने 4 पोर्शंस में दे दिया और हम सब ने अपने अपने जजमेंट लिखे और उसको चीफ जस्टिस ने उनको कंसोलिडेट कर दिया उसी. That's what he's saying.
फिर क्या होगा? फिर क्या होगा?
So he's a party to it.
ठीक है.
He's a party to it.
That is recorded in the judgment itself. He's a party to it.
He's a party to it. So therefore,
Mr. Kasuri, make the point, please.
मेरा point ये है कि sir, if at all there was any pressure, he should recuse himself.
We've noted that point.
Then there's another argument. Who is the author judge in this? That is the Chief Justice of Pakistan. Now, if he had decided on pressure, that means that he served General Zia and taken the throne from his side. Now, what history tells us?
Are you going to make the point or not?
My point was, history tells us that after few months later, PCO was promulgated and Chief Justice refused to take oath. A judge who refused to take oath and go on a premature retirement, do you think on the instructions of or on the pressure of somebody he will go and pass pass a judgment of death. That's the point.
Okay, now can we continue? आप तशरीफ रखें. This is not your reference, this is the presidential reference. So you don't have a right of audience to begin with. You will be heard at your appropriate time. So अगर आप हर दफा में interrupt करेंगे तो हम please जरा ठहर जाइए. This is not a case. This is not an adversarial proceedings.
जवाब दिया उसकी भी कॉपी मुझे देनी चाहिए थी. I should be provided with the copy which Mr. Beloved Bhutto has placed before this court.
Yes, it's been filed. दे दीजिए इनको सेट अगर नहीं है एक्स्ट्रा आपके पड़ा हुआ है. आप ये काम इनसे कहिए ना, हमसे तो ना कहिए. हमसे ऑफिस का काम ना करवाएं. अगर कोई मसला हो रहा है नहीं मिल रही फिर हमें बता दें, हम आपको दिलवा देंगे. अच्छा वो हो गई जगह. हाँ चलें लगाएं. This is not the same book.
These are 3 different books. You can leave on a page. इसमें नहीं वो memoirs है. लेकिन one paragraph है. Page 53 is